Hi, I'm Denise Schelling, and I'm coming to you next Sunday to share a Sunday message with you on making room for grace. We all share in God's grace. God's love flows through each and every one of us. The grace is a non-denominational experience. It's not owned by any religion or philosophy or tradition. It's really a felt experience of the sacred. It's a direct experience of the divine coming alive within us. And when that happens, you and I experience this real life flowing through us, joy, unimaginable, strength and courage and beauty. And so we want to recognize these qualities are really inherently part of who we really are. And so part of uh, this spiritual journey is reconnecting to source, into the flow of life, into knowing that God is here. So join me on Sunday of discovering making room for grace. Look forward to seeing you then. God bless.